Wreck-It Ralph. Wow, so good agad.
So you have no clue where that glitch might be? All I know is that we're in my story. You had to fall into my simulation, didn't you? Let's just focus on getting out of here. Whoa!
Baka, nasan ka ba? Oh. Mali ka. Galing tayo doon. Dito tayo.
Galing tayo dyan.
Galing tayo dito. Ayan na. Ayun. Sumama. Ayun. Idiot. Tapos ako, bakit ganun yun?
Teka lang.